Have you ever heard of a shrimp that glows in the dark? Meet the fluorescent shrimp, nature's underwater disco ball. These tiny creatures are like living highlighters, lighting up the deep sea with their vibrant glow. But here's the twist. They're not just glowing for fun. Their bioluminescence helps them survive, attract food, and even confuse predators. Genius, right? Imagine being a tiny shrimp, chilling in the vast ocean, and suddenly, bam! You light up like a neon sign saying, "Hey, I'm fabulous!" But for predators, it's like chasing a shadow in a laser maze. Scientists are still uncovering the mysteries of their glow, but one thing's clear, nature truly is the ultimate artist. Curious about what makes them shine? Or how this glow might inspire new technology? Follow us for more deep-sea mysteries, and let's dive into nature's wonders together.